guys, it's your boy W from Sweden, and in today's video, we are going to be taking on the new Fever case with the sole intent of getting a knife, hopefully, and a red op print stream, and the Glock as well. By far the best looking skins in the new collection. I've spent a lot of my Armory Pass credits to get them their 2 credits each. Today, we are opening 700. That's kind of a lot. That's more than most people have opened up until this point. I'm joined by Mr. Sams.
Hello.
We're joined by Orlando Bloom. Oh my god, Orlando Bloom. Can I play
Orlando
a picture
Bloom,
with
oh
you?
my God. Look at his cat.
Not right. Yeah, what the? FBI, open up! They just flashbang your door. And we're joined by Furious.
Fury, hello.
And we're joined by Hikes.
Selling nukes 500 rubles.
Who doesn't have a camera because, like, Russia actually banned Discord, so that's good. And Split is also here, but once again, no camera. Russia banned Discord. Thank God. But before we get into the case opening, I want to thank today's video sponsor, which is Skinland. Skinland is a CS2 marketplace where you can buy and sell your CS2 skins for real money safely. And very important, you can use code ANOMALY to get a bonus of up to $10 if you sell skins for $100 or more. On Skinland, you can buy skins for a lot cheaper than Steam as well, using one of their many payment methods. For example, on Skinland, a Talon Marble would cost you $830. Meanwhile, on Steam, you'd pay over €1,050, which is way more. Also, Fallen uses their website, so you know it's legit. Thank you once again, Skinland, very much for sponsoring this video, and now let's open the Fever cases. Gentlemen, I hope we get a knife, because according to my calculations, the Dopplers should still be glitched. And also, this would be the first ever knife I open that has the new knife symbol on it. Now, the reason the knives are glitched is because the odds of getting a Doppler is much bigger than it should be, and also the odds of getting a ruby, sapphire, or a black pearl, a gem, is much higher than it should be. If we get the knife today, it's a good chance it's a gem. Okay, first case. Bam! This is actually the first time in a while where I've been super excited to, I saw the red, to actually open cases, because the new knives, we haven't had that in a while. Come on, baby! Oh, dude, I'm so actually excited to get something now. It's right here, actually. Oi! KO! Oh, statue! That's almost as rare as a knife. Oh, no. Ah! Okay, that's one of the skins I wanted.
I hope you don't get it.
Look at the mag, bro. It's so beautiful. Just like you, Fury. So beautiful. By the way, we're recording this at 5 a.m., ladies and gentlemen. That's how cooked we are.
I'm not in this cooked party. I'm leaving.
Bro, come
Oh,
on.
you can beatbox? I'm staying.
The hose.
The hose. Yeah, I was gonna say. Me at the party, they're like, yeah, bro, you're cringe, man. You're gay and ugly. And I'm like, and
then, oh my god.
oh my god, let me take my top off. The glass of fate is half full. Fury, are you a glass is half empty or full type of guy?
I'm half full guy.
Buddy, look at your stomach. You're full. The Middle Earth, Agartha, Nephilim are stealing the golds out of my case. Okay. KO Factory, another one. Hey, another pink! AK Searing Ray Battle Scarred. This is a pretty nice skin, I'm not gonna lie. Obviously, the prices of these skins, no one knows, because none of them have been sold yet, because they're all on trade hold. I guess we'll just see in like a week or so. Y'all ever take a shit and like let it go back inside and you pretend you're gay and just like, okay, this is what it feels like?
No, I don't.
Oh, AK Searing, this is better than Battle Scarred, baby. Minimal wear, okay? This is an insane edgy description. Rush, kill, destroy, no fear, attack, burn, terror. Fury's handbook when he immigrated to Netherlands. Furious passport reveal. Fury, you're actually our token immigrant. How do you feel? Like, that's an honorable thing.
I'm drawing Sam's right now.
Oh, God. Oh, my. Why does he have gray hair? Why does he look like a founding father?
Thank you, Furious.
Hey everyone, I just want to let you know.
Oh, I thought you got it.
He's so cooked. Never call Fury at 5 a.m. He answered. Freddy Fazbear moment. Fury when they check his hard drive be like.
It's too late for this shit.
Retard. Oh, the Glock.
I was drinking water. Holy shit. Maybe that's a good thing to do.
It's actually the last name of an anime character from Demon Slayer.
Hikes, I beg, shut the fuck up! Minimal wear, this is sick. This is actually the first skin in the case that I'm very happy to get, because this one, beautiful. The P2000 Shore Grip, bro, the only thing I know is Fury can take 4 dicks.
What? It take way more than that. Guys, what can I do to fix my posture?
Sit straight.
Yeah, you sit straight. You shit straight.
You shit straight.
Straight.
Over time, like when you're focused on something, you just go.
Yeah, but then,
and
look,
like-
look, you just have to be like, okay, time to lock in, and then just...
Okay, stay like that for the whole video.
Bet! Look at my posture.
You're like a gremlin.
Let me suck it. Let me suck it.
You look like the fucking lady from Monsters and Co.
Wait, what? Isn't it Monsters Inc?
He got the fucking bizarre
Yeah. Oh, you guys don't see Monsters and
I
Co?
was saying you look like this.
Is it a slug lady? Yeah, oh, okay.
I'm not gonna lie, it kind of looks like Carrick. I go bad.
No, O-K-K-O Factory.
Cake.
Yeah, I've got an idea. Let's do the one-word story again.
Hello.
I eat.
My eat.
Hello, my eat. Legit, Split is just retarded foreign there. Okay.
Alright, let's play the word game again. I'll start.
Okay.
Juice.
Oh god. Searing rage. Oh fuck no! What's that float? 0.0100. Clean. Hey! Stat track! Holy shit! Stat track.
Stat track.
Well worn. Yeah. But dude, I'm getting so many of the AKs now. Okay.
Damn, is there a chance your dad is like black? Yeah,
Fury, is there a chance you're actually like Afghani or so?
maybe.
Have you taken a DNA test? It just says you're 100% dirty. Hey, KO! I'm getting really pissed off at these pinks, man. Please, I need a gold. Like, this is
Have you got
ridiculous.
it yet?
No.
Even if you exist.
Wait, back to back? I've gotten every single skin in the collection except for the reds and the knife. Like, man, bro. Fury looks like, what's his name? The robot pedophile. Fuck, what's his name?
Stephen Hawking.
Yeah, you look like Stephen Hawking. Robot pedophile. Fury, do your best Stephen Hawking impression right now. Hello, Jeffrey. Where are the kids?
Is everybody that went to that island a pedo?
I don't know. I am. Hey! Did you know there's actually an anime where they left?
But it is, man.
Which character, Alex? Which character?
It's
I don't care. Shut the fuck up. I'm leaving.
No.
I hope you have a nice case opening for the rest
No,
of the
Stop.
story.
If you leave, Fury, I'm gonna be so sad.
We need to get a knife.
Lock in now.
Most of the gamblers quit right before their biggest win.
I can't be the guy that stops mining. Hey! Did you know this is actually an anime character?
Do you want to see the anime character?
No, I don't give a fuck.
Why have you just got a missing item?
I don't know. Hikes, do you know who you are? I just realized you're that guy from Pirates of the Caribbean with a glass eye that just falls out all the time.
Then they cross-dress and get into a little rowboat.
Hikes escaping Russian conscription. What if this is just it? I'll just never get a gold again. That was officially 400 cases without a knife. I'm gonna pause the recording and I'll be back with more. I'm not giving up. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. I've got hella more cases now. I legit have 2 credits left, so might as well use it. Boom. 0 credits now. Whoopam! Come on, man. Listen, I just really want a gold from the new case.
Gold.
Gold. That's all I really want. Another AK. Come on, man. I don't want the AK anymore. We're 400 cases deep, and we still haven't touched a red. Is that not absolutely insane? A red is 1 in 150. I should have gotten 2.5 reds by now. More. Come on, bro. I need it. If I don't get a gold from all of my stars worth of fever cases, I will open 1,000 fever cases in my next case opening. Decided. That's probably like a stupid thing actually, because now Valve have just access to my mic. They just heard me say that. They're just gonna disable knife. This just goes to show, guys, don't open cases. Like, if you do, it's so fucking stupid.
Yeah, guys, do crack.
My dad's giving you the good dick. Okay, we got another AK. Like, at this point, bro, I'm just, it's over. In the next 5 cases, if I get a knife, no reaction. I'm like those TikTok people who eat spicy shit and they fake all
Like
their
those
videos.
speedos, yeah.
Oh.
Deep State took my case.
The Jews, it was given to them 6,000 years ago.
Look what it says on the koi. Wishing you good fortune.
Oh, that's a sign, finally.
I haven't read it until now.
We should just fake it. We're gonna fake it.
Yeah, let's fake it.
Fucking fish line.
Fucking fish line.
The fucking duck is screaming outside.
The dog is screaming.
No, the duck.
Oh, the duck.
Duck
Yeah,
is
because they're
screaming.
immigrant.
The ducks are landing outside in the pond. Assalamu alaikum. This is actually insane. I'm never opening cases again. I spent countless hours getting those stars to prepare for this very moment. And this is what happens. It's so crazy. 700 cases almost with 0 reds and 0 golds. Connecting to the network, they actually removed the knife. Dude, there's no way.
It's like an omen at this point.
Bro, I have 3 cases left.
It's gonna
Love.
be the last one.
Wow.
Love.
Oh.
Last case out of all of my stars that I spent months gathering. Wapam. Whoa. Gentlemen, this just goes to show, please don't open cases. Statistically, I should have gotten more than 4 reds, and I ended up with 0. And statistically, I should have gotten 1.7 knives, and I got 0. I just want to let you guys know, the stars that I spent, it's 31 full passes of stars.
Which costs how much?
500 euro and hundreds of hours of playtime. That's 251 games of Premiere. Jesus Christ. If there's anyone watching this video is thinking about opening stuff from the Armory Pass, please don't. It's not worth it. Now I'm going to go fucking cry because I didn't get shit. Wham!